I have an idea. Why don't we just stay up here, forget the world, start to like this place again? I'm assuming you have something to get back to?
I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, I should probably go deal with it. I'm not sure what I would have done to change the way that it turned out.
Maybe that's why I was supposed to find you. Help me change mine.
Thanks. Hey. We are home sweet home. Amazing how after 5.5 years and a new address, they still know how to send you junk mail.
I just hope after 1 year somebody fed my fish.
Ben just moved out. The couch is free, so you can crash here for a bit.
No, I don't want to impose. I can find my own place.
How? Look, Zeke, if you're not gonna reach out to your family, all you've got are the clothes on your back, and that's it.
You don't need me in your hair.
Zeke, the petrograph, that's about you and me. You gotta start trusting me. I've been having these callings for weeks. It wants us to accomplish something. Together. Just gotta figure out what.
Okay. I fold. Thank you.
I'm scared. Johnny Barber says girls aren't good at science.
Tommy Barber's an idiot. It's a pickle. Come on, Einstein. You got this.
He's the best brother ever. I love you, Zeke.
Ben left these. You can try them on, see if they fit.
Anything's better than what I got on now. Looks like somebody died in this.
Cute. Hey, you should also try and keep a low profile. Not a lot of people know your back. That's a good thing.
Meaning?
There are some military types who are not very friendly, and not a lot of people have had the greatest reaction to those of us that came back on that flight, so I'm gonna guess it's the same for you.
Beloved, my fellow passengers and I were sent back to heal the world.
And all ready to return to making a difference. There are police who have saved people's lives, doctors who have cured disease. We are miracles unto you. Blessed is Flight 828, the vessel of the miracle.
Blessed are the returnees, the purveyors of that miracle.
What's the petrograph?